Hi, welcome to the Pond Zone. I'm John, your host, and today we're going to be talking about dry dechlorinator. Recently, a question has come up of how to use dry dechlorinator and if it's safe for fish. So what we have here is a container 16-ounce dry dechlorinator from American Pond. Now this product, like many dry dechlorinator, uses a chemical called sodium thiosulfate. As you can see, it's a bunch of little clear crystals, and those crystals remove chlorine from the water. So what we have here is a container of water, and we are going to treat it with chlorine bleach at a rate of over 2,000 times the lethal dose for fish, and we're going to see how the product works. Now what we have here is a test kit from Microblith to check chlorine levels in the water. So before we start our experiment, we're going to go ahead and we're going to check the water, make sure we're starting out with 0 chlorine in it. And the way we do that is we submerge the test strip, we wave it back and forth for about 10 seconds, pull it out, shake it once. Now it does take about 25 seconds for the full results of the test to come, but as you can see, it's showing 0 chlorine in the water so far. We'll go ahead and set it down over here. Next, we're going to take our chlorine bleach. I've already marked about 1.25 ounces is going to equal about 2,000 times the lethal dose for fish, 2,000 times the allowable level in your city drinking water. So let's go ahead and pour it in. We'll give it a quick stir, and then we'll go ahead and test it. Now, if the test strip turns green and blue, we'll realize that there is a unhealthy level of chlorine in the water. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Okay, well, guess what? We didn't get any green, we didn't get any blue. We bypassed those and we went straight to the Black Death. 2,000 times the lethal dose for fish. Okay, so let's go ahead and set that over here for comparison. Now we're going to go ahead and treat. We've got about 20 crystals here of sodium thiosulfate from the American Pond dechlorinator. Let's just go ahead and dump that in. We'll start stirring it up here. Now these crystals take just a minute or two to dissolve. They start dissolving right away, but do take a couple minutes. The warmer the water, the faster they dissolve. Looks like they're about halfway dissolved already. Let's just go ahead and take a reading now, see what happens, see if we've made any progress. We'll put our test strip in. Okay, well, as they're dissolving, it's beginning to work. As you can see, it's not solid black now, it's turning a greenish color. It's lightening up a little bit. Let's go ahead and keep stirring now. I'd say they're about 2/3 dissolved, so let's go ahead and try again. Well, I guess 2/3 was enough because we are down to 0 parts per million chlorine. Well, from this little fun experiment, you can see that sodium thiosulfate makes an excellent dechlorinator for your pond. In our next experiment, we're going to go ahead and we're going to test the dosage of sodium thiosulfate to show that even greatly over-treating the pond with this product will pose no health risks to your fish. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.